2023 is on the horizon, family, and things are getting harder. Things are already getting harder for some people right now. And I think the only way that we can prevent things from falling down on us or stressing us out or putting us in a bind, we have to start applying ourselves right now. Right now, you got to start applying yourself. Like if you're trying to figure out a new trade, a side hustle, improve yourself, we can't depend on the system, family. You can't depend on it. You're going to have to do something on your own. If you depended on them, it might be forever before you get to that front position, waiting in line. You got to go on and go do something to put yourself in that position. Put yourself in that position. There's many ways to do it. I just want to throw out one to you. At the Goodwill Industries, you can get all type of trades, career development, resume builder, nursing, welding, construction, and a lot of these programs are based on grants and scholarships, and even the price for the program is unreal. The welding program is under $3,800, 16 weeks. You get certified in 2 different types of welding, flux core and stick. You get your OSHA 10. They buy all of your PPE, from your welding jackets, all of your chipping hammers and white brush, from your welding hat and your welding boots. Family, they get you everything you need for that price. I haven't found no program that actually believes in the individual enough to invest in the individual. And then you can take it wherever you want to take it.